Things you'll need are 2 pieces of cardboard. I have 1 large piece of foil which is cut to the same size, which I'm going to cut in half, 1 for each. And I have 2 trails for the leads to clip onto. I also have some bubble wrap. You can use a piece of cardboard cut to the same dimensions with a picture frame cut out. So the first thing I need to do is cut that in half, and I'm going to glue it onto my cardboard. I'm gluing the cardboard rather than the foil because the foil might rip. Cardboard's just a little bit more durable. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is stick these foil strips to each end of your switch. So I'm just going to put glue there and on the back. I'm going to stick. Now this has to be touching the foil that's already on my cardboard. It's okay if you pull the last bit off as long as it covers the entire edge. That needs to be all touching. And then I'm going to stick this one on this side. I've stuck mine shiny side up. Might just put a little bit of glue on the foil. A little bit of glue there, just to make sure it stays put. Right, so now I have got my foil strips where I'm going to plug my alligator clips. Next thing, I need my bubble wrap. If you happen to have popped all your bubble wrap, you will need to find a piece of cardboard that you can cut to the same size as the cardboard pieces that will be the outside. If you still have your bubble wrap, you need to cut very carefully a rectangle out of the center. It's going to sit like that. Now I need to put my glue around the outside. Be careful you don't rip the foil, because then that won't work. Now one side of this bubble wrap is flat, one side is bubbly. I'm going to stick the flat side down. Try not to pop the bubbles. And then I'm going to hold it together with these rubber bands. Okay. The next thing to do is to hook up the cables. It's best to use 2 hands, hold it with one, and then push the clip open with the other. Don't let it close on your fingers because it will hurt. And I'm going to clip that onto the foil. So now what we need to do is test if our switch is working. So I have my Makey Makey. I'm going to plug one side onto the earth bar. Hold your clip, pull back the ends. Be careful you don't jam your fingers. Hold the clip to keep it steady, pull back the clip and put that one onto space. Now I need to plug my USB into my USB port. I'll put the link in the video as to how I programmed this.